just want to show you over the FendtONE terminal. So this particular tractor is a Profi Plus spec, so we've got the 2 screens, so if we're running guidance we can have our tractor settings all down here on the first screen, and our second screen up here in the roof we can just run our guidance. So very iPhone-esque screen. So we're looking at our overview manager here, so we can simply swipe and scroll through the different settings we've currently selected to show on the screen. If we want to change any of that, simply by pressing the hamburger menu here at the top, overview manager, and then we can select from all these tractor functions at the bottom. So for instance, if we want to put our front end loader settings up on the screen, we simply press, hold and drag it to replace that box, and there we go, done. Now when we go back to our main screen, we can simply jump straight into our loader settings or whatever the selected function is. So very simple and intuitive, and you can find the new FendtONE terminal through the whole Fendt range of tractors.